How you doing, W6RIP? Long time no see. Been a while since I put out some videos. Been doing a lot of search and rescue training, going through BSAR, spending my weekends and off days doing that kind of stuff. So today I am hiking up to Mount Islip and revisiting my first ever SOTA peak. It's been about a year and a half. So stay tuned. N6JZT. Hal, do you got a copy? W6RIP.
W6RIP, N6JZT. Hi, Kevin.
Hey, Hal. I can't tell you, man. It's really awesome to meet you today.
Yeah, good to meet you. And there's a female hiker on her way up. We'll probably get up there in about 10 or 15 minutes.
Okay, copy that. And thank you for that contact. You're 5'9". Over.
Okay, you're 5'9" down here. 7'3". Have a good day. I'm going to keep monitoring the 2 meters. See if Mike and MKW comes up. 7'3", N6JZT clear.
Okay, 7'3", Hal. Take care. W6RIP. Summit's on the air.
W6RIP, N6MKW, Summit.
Well, I don't know what happened to your signal, but 73, if you still hear me, Kilo 6 Whiskey Golf.
Yeah, I got 4 stations doubling in real quick. I'm sorry. It's N6. It's November 6th. Mike, come back again.
November 6th, Mike Kilo Whiskey, Summit to Summit.
There we go. November 6th, Mike Kilo Whiskey, Summit to Summit. I know you're up on Islip, or no, I'm on Islip, and you're on Lewis right now, right?
Yeah, I'm just probably about 2 minutes from the top, so I'm in the incubation zone. And weather today in and that other station I heard was, I think, Whiskey 6, and I got the Delta Lima, so I didn't get any more from that. And you're 5'9".
You're 5'9" also. I'm getting some type of interference over here. I don't know if it's coming from Wilson or what, but it's kind of noisy.
Okay, thanks for the contact. Have a good activation up there, 73 and 6MKW.
Okay, 7-3. And it's W6RIP calling CQ. Summit's on the air.
This is Whiskey 6 stroke Delta Lima 6 Alpha Papa.
Foxtrot 6, Foxtrot Lima Juliet, calling you for SOTA.
Okay, the Lima Juliet station, stand by real quick. I'm trying to get another call sign. It sounds like a foreign call sign. Whiskey 6, come back again. I want to get this right.
Whiskey 6 stroke Delta Lima 6 Alpha Papa. The host call is Delta Lima 6 Alpha Papa, and I'm located in Whiskey 6. Roger.
Oh, that's why you're throwing me off. Okay, tell me your call sign without the Whiskey 6. Let's do that.
Delta Lima 6 Alpha Papa. DL6AP. Delta Lima 6 Alpha Papa. Roger.
Okay, Roger. Delta Lima 6 Alpha Papa. That was throwing me off. I wasn't expecting anything with the suffix or the Whiskey 6 on the front. Where are you from?
I'm from Germany, and right now I'm on Mount Islip. It's near Barstow, and the SOTA reference is Whiskey 6 stroke Sugar Delta 497. Roger.
Okay, come back again with that one more time. I'm going to get it in the notes. I'm listening.
Yes, the reference is the summit. The SOTA reference is Whiskey 6 stroke Sierra Delta 497. Sierra Delta 497. This is near Barstow, Lead Mountain.
Okay, roger that. Whiskey 6 Sierra Delta 497, summit to summit. Thank you. I'm on Mount Islip right now, and it is Whiskey 6 Charlie Tango 010.
Copy that. That's fine. Thank you for the summit to summit QSL, and have a nice day. Bye-bye.
All right, 7-3. Take care. W6RIP. Nice contact.
Roger.
W6RIP. This is Kilo Foxtrot 6, Foxtrot Lima Juliet, KF6FLJ.
Okay, I got a Kilo Foxtrot 6, Foxtrot Lima Juliet. You're 5959, over.
You're 5'9" as well. I will log you in SOTA for W6CT010.
Roger. Thank you for the contact. 7-3.
732.
NG6R.
NG6R, great signal, 5959.
Thank you, Kevin. Got a good signal.
What the heck? Come back again, you cut out. Oh, NG6R, come back again, your audio cut out.
Oh, sorry about that. You're a 5'9" full quieting here. I was just wondering if you'd seen Hal. I worked him earlier today on Mount Islip.
Yeah, Roger. I met him on the way. He was on his way down. I was on my way up. That was a pleasant surprise because all last year I've had many contacts with Hal and never met him, so that was kind of neat.
Yeah, interesting coincidence. Okay, is this your last one of the day?
No, not yet. This is my first one. I think I'm going to hit another couple on the way out, maybe see how I feel. There's a station up on Mount Lewis right now, and actually I was thinking about doing that one on the way out, and then maybe even Table Mountain after that.
Okay, well, we'll look for you. Look for a spot. 73. Have a safe trip down, NG6R.
Hey, 7-3, W6RIP. Summit's on the air.
W6CJ.
Got a W6 Charlie Juliet, right?
Roger. Whiskey 6 Charlie Juliet. You're 5'9". I'm downtown Los Angeles, mobile, right across from Union Station. Just curious, what's your location?
Okay, roger that. Downtown LA. You're 5'9", by the way. I'm up on Mount Islip, so I have a pretty good view down there towards Mount Wilson in LA.
Roger, roger. Well, good luck with SOTA. Take care, 7-3.
Roger that, 7-3. Thanks for the contact. W6RIP, Summit's on the air.
W6RAP, KB6L2A.
Is that a Kilo Bravo 6 come back?
It's Kilo Bravo 6, Lima Tango Yankee.
Okay, now I got it. Kilo Bravo 6 Lima Tango Yankee. I got you. Good signal, but just a lot of noise in there. So I'm gonna say about a 4-6 over.
Okay, you're a 5959 Apple Valley, and give me your full call sign over.
It's Whiskey 6 Romeo India Papa. Whiskey 6 Romeo India Papa. Rest in peace.
QSL, and thanks for the contact on SOTA, KB6L2A
7-3, and listen out. There's another station in Barstow calling you right now.
Yes, this is Whiskey 6 Stroke Delta Lima 6 Alpha Papa for Kilo Bravo 6 station, please.
Yeah, I'm hiring another station called QZ, KB6L2A, go ahead.
Whiskey 6 Stroke Delta Lima 6 Alpha Papa. Whiskey 6 Stroke Delta Lima 6 Alpha Papa. Roger.
Okay, I'm hearing a Whiskey 6 and then an Alpha Papa. Go ahead.
Okay, Whiskey 6 Stroke Delta Lima 6 Alpha Papa. DL6AP is the home call. Home call is DL6AP. Whiskey 6 Stroke Delta Lima 6 Alpha Papa. Roger.
Okay, your call sign is Delta Lima 6 Alpha Papa, and you've got a Whiskey 6. Is that correct?
That's correct, that's correct. I'm also on the SOTA station, SOTA Summit. The reference is Whiskey 6 Stroke Sierra Delta 497. Whiskey 6 Stroke Sierra Delta 497. Roger. Delta. Whiskey 6 Stroke Delta Lima 6 Alpha Papa. W6 Stroke DL6AP. Got it?
QSL, this is KB6L2A
Got it?
Delta Mike 14 in Apple Valley, over.
It's so
Okay,
confusing.
copy
I wasn't
that.
expecting to
Thank you
hear
for
a
the comment.
foreigner.
5959. Very loud signal here. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.
Okay, thank you, 7-3, and sorry for the interference on SOTA. Go ahead, KB6L2A.
Bye-bye.
Good
Hi,
morning.
how are you?
Good, how's it going?
Going awesome.
Summit M6MKW.
What's up for a day hike?
Yeah.
Yeah, cool.
Delta
Lima
6 Alpha Papa.
What are you doing?
Ham radio.
Oh,
It's called
nice.
Summit's on the air. So hike the mountaintops and get contacts.
That's awesome.
Yeah,
Did you just hike up from the day, or are you staying down at Little Jimmy?
I hiked up just for the day.
Oh, okay.
I
Oh,
parked
yeah,
right at
it's easy from over there. It's only like, what, 3 miles or so?
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. I parked right on the road.
Nice.
So I was up on this mountain a year and a half ago, so it's kind of like just doing it again.
That's
Neat.
it. That's awesome.
Nice little hike. There's some guys. There's a guy on Mount Lewis right now that I just talked to, and then there's a guy out on a mountain called like Mount Leek or Lead or something like that. He's out in Barstow.
Wait, so what, you guys go on the same day? Like there's like a specific day? Or
It's totally random.
It's totally random?
Like the guy that you passed on the way down, the older guy.
Uh-huh.
I've talked to him probably 40 or 50 times over the last year.
Yeah, how funny.
Like,
but
through
he's
radio?
he's in other places, though.
Well, usually. Well, this is the first time I ever met him.
How
We just
funny.
random picked the same mountain on the same day. Out of all these mountains, we picked the same one on the same day. So it's kind of
It's
cool.
like social media, but like not.
Serious. Yeah, it's all over Twitter and everything, but it's just, we just got lucky. It was like, wow. Yeah, his name's Hal, and I'm like, I walked out, I saw his ham radio. I'm like, ham radio? He's like, yeah. And I told him my call sign. He's like, oh my God.
That's fun.
I know, it's so cool.
Very nice.
Okay, so that was a very short and sweet activation of Mount Islip, Mount Islip, and that was my first SOTA peak last year. So very stoked on that. Met a cool chick named Erin. Met Hal, super random, just on the trail. That's it. I mean, I love that how that happens. It's very cool. We're all out here doing our thing, and it's very, very cool. Anyways, got 7 contacts on 2 meters. Very quick, easy. Hiking down now. I'm gonna go hit another peak and enjoy the hike.